Hello! In this video, I will teach you how to put hypertext links to your PowerPoint presentation. But first, let us stop the Canva app and select our prepared PowerPoint presentation. Since the PowerPoint is already set, let's now put the hypertext links. So the first thing that you should do is pick a selected word or phrase. And now that you selected your chosen word or phrase, you can now tap this button. And you will see where you should insert your link. Now, insert your chosen link. And now that you've inserted your link, you should tap next. And you will see link added on your phone. Then tap done. And done. It's all set.
Ang sakit. Uy, Lorraine, bakit ka umiiyak? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Yung crush ko kasi akala ko single siya. Akala ko pag umamin ako, matatanggap niya, pero nakita ko sila. Ano ka ba? Okay naman yan. Madami mo. My girlfriend na siya. Magkasama sila ngayon. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Lakad-lakad na lang tayo para magpapasok sa iniisip mo. Nara, mas mabuti pa. Hindi ko po sinasadya. Okay lang. Hindi po, sorry po talaga. Okay nga lang.
Mahaba ang araw mo dahil hindi ka kin-rushback ng crush mo? Here's Super Crunch!
Super Crunch! Nakakabaliw!
That's all. Hope you learned something.